The city of Portland, Oregon is one of the many cities that embodies the culture of sustainability. One of the aspects that Portland is really known for is its green transportation. Green transportation, in other words, is sustainable transportation. The idea is to create a transportation system that doesn't negatively affect the environment we live in. We strive for a system that would improve our air quality, reduce the need for fossil fuels, and reduce congestion on highways and freeways. Portland, Oregon has such a system that offers different transportation alternatives rather than driving a car. TriMet is a company that provides bus, light rail, and commuter rail service to the Portland metro area. The light rail is known as the Metropolitan Area Express, or MAX for short. It runs every 15 minutes through each station and can hold up to 344 people per train. It connects downtown Portland with Beaverton, Clackamas, Gresham, Hillsborough, North and Northeast Portland, and the Portland International Airport. And in 2015, will also be connecting to Milwaukee. What makes the MAX green is that it only runs on electricity. It even supplies some of its own power through braking, similar to the hybrid car. Data shows that the West Side MAX alone carries the equivalent of 2.4 extra lanes of car traffic, eliminating all that added congestion. Another light rail system in Portland is the Portland Streetcar. The Portland Streetcar is owned and operated by the City of Portland. Like the MAX, it runs about every 15 minutes during the day and connects the inner city. These places include the Pearl District, South Waterfront, the Rose Quarter, the Lloyd District, and the Convention Center. The streetcar is smaller compared to the MAX and runs with cars on the road. What makes Portland's streetcar green is that it reduces short inner city car trips, reduces parking demand, reduces congestion, and runs on electricity. Another alternative mode of transportation that Portland has to offer is its buses. TriMet's bus system goes all throughout the Portland metro area. The system branches out to the west as far as Forest Grove and to the east in Gresham. It also branches out up north near the Expo Center to down south in Wilsonville. With the innovative engineering and technology, TriMet has been improving the buses themselves to be more green. A drivetrain computer in the engine compartment of each bus saves fuel and improves driving safety. It monitors the engine, transmission, and braking system and uses the data to adjust acceleration, braking, traction control, and fuel injection. TriMet buses run on a cleaner burning biodiesel fuel blend made from vegetable oil and fats. This fuel blend meets the federal standard for ultra-low sulfur diesel. It greatly reduces emissions, especially carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and particulates. Because of this cleaner fuel, TriMet buses are able to use a new cooling system that uses less engine power, thus producing less emissions. Even the older buses were retrofitted with the same high-tech filters, eliminating 90% of their emissions. Now even the old buses run just as clean as the brand new ones. One of the most green alternative modes of transportation is biking. Biking is a great alternative because it doesn't produce any emissions and it helps people get out and exercise. Portlanders recognize the benefits of biking, and the city does well to promote it. Portland has built one of the best biking networks in the country. It's well connected and generally takes you places where you want to go. By building bike lanes and paths on the infrastructure, bikers can easily travel the same distances as cars can. Green lanes have been created to focus on increasing the safety of the cyclist. The green boxes allow bikers to move in front of the crosswalk to become more visible to motorists. The city of Portland has been experimenting with creating wider bike lanes for cyclists. One of the biggest problems that bother cyclists is that they don't like to be too close to fast-moving automobiles, and so the goal is to create bike lanes that separate the two. Creating a safer environment for bikes encourages people to use their bikes as a main mode of transportation. Electric vehicles are the future of green transportation. An electric vehicle is any vehicle that gets some or all of the power it needs to move from electrical energy. Electric vehicles are very beneficial to the environment because they reduce or eliminate carbon emissions from the tailpipe. Also, the lithium in the electrical vehicle batteries is highly recyclable, and many manufacturers are planning to help customers recycle or repurpose their batteries. Battery electric vehicles benefit from not having a transmission or combustion engine. This eliminates having to pay for oil changes, fuel filters, emissions testing, and other costly maintenance. The electric vehicle industry is expanding here in Oregon. There are about 800 charging stations throughout the state and many more to come. PGE is partnering with the state, local governments, higher education, and businesses to expand the electric vehicle infrastructure here in Oregon. Oregon plans to greatly exceed its quota for President Obama's goal of 1 million electric vehicles on the road in the U.S. by 2015. With the innovative research, sustainable technology, and the cutting-edge science, Portland offers a shining example that all cities should aspire to. Engineers along with scientists cooperate to reach a goal we all strive for, becoming more sustainable. With green transportation, we as a city can help reduce greenhouse gases, reduce the consumption of fossil fuels, and help save the earth. It all starts with us as a community of students, citizens, future leaders, and engineers who strive for a better quality of life and for a better future.